Pyoge Nyinting Nire Sangyu Lerim Siken Yon La Tsamdi Shu. Tiring Pyonda Chukchi Godabe Tseba Chugutan Chilu Nidon Nishulu Dawa Tangbe Tseba Chupshi Resa Mingma Ki Sangyu Lerim Nantu. Jino Konsikem Gwen Chimbucho Ki Gyaga Wa Shunge Tsu Susu Nawe Rikshun Larsu Thola Tonang Chezam Chegwebe Kola Galop Tsebe Korta. Gyana Shungi Maung Bar Konsa Chogi Yangsi Dambayina Pyomitsu Ter Mutun Namya Chegi Mareche Galop Pebe Korche Shugi Ye Sangyu Gyabasham Lasirona. Jino Konsikem Gwen Chimbuchoki Gyagagi Nawe Rikshungi Kene Dan Lawar Tengi Tugabsu Rikshung Dishin Zamling Shide Dan Pende Ledu Kene Chizam Cha Yebe Kola Galop Zebe Gabsu Gyagawa Shunge Tsu Susu Nawe Rikshung Dishin Nyambalar Su Tola Tonanda Lobnyer Chegwebe Kola Langdor Galop Ze Yobare. Teyan Tirin Resa Mimani Chidar Denshu Sundev Shubashin Jino Konsikem Gwen Chimbucho Necho Doji Den Kuidu Denshi Chebe Indian Institute of Management Shebe Tsondun Lobnyer Kanto Chibkyu Gyande Gyagagi Nawe Rikshungi Kene Rangshin Kola Galop Ze Yobare. Tomar Dine Kanto Shabsur Kwebe Gap Changchub Chunshin Debzu Zebata Teje Dengje Deng Shabsur Kwebe Gapsu Dine Kanki Nyeduen Ba Jamgu Dr. Vinita Sahai Choki Pepsu Sungshe Nantu Tiring Zamling Shide Debun Da Chamze Tani Chembu Jino Konsikem Gwen Chimbucho Ngansu Lobkandir Nguesu Shabki Jab Dini Ngansu Gele Lobchu Mangbushila Tsuna Rinne Nyingdu Nabe Debe Dönde Dubashik Yinshe Shushin Pepsu Sabge Shuyobare. Tene Jino Konsikem Gwen Chimbucho Ki Galop Zewa Ta Zowu Mi Jiso Chola Gangi Manda Shi Teshin Bateda Tamji Mi Syoba Yinbe Tada Turab Nishajik Ba Dina Desimbe Turab Ki Tsebe Chaju Gyardo Chagyu Mebata Zamling Shide Teshin Nga Ki Jobata Myolam Taba Zamgi Yongtab Meche Galop Zeshin Zowu Longu Sumdong La Ki Kone Tarwe Gyaga Ki Nawe Chamzeda Tsewa Mebe Taju Tola Tonanda Lobjong Chegwa Bata Zachebe Rikshung Di Gyaga Na Nyambalar Sota Tene Zamling Yong La Tarbel Che Tuba Gu Te Gerla Tsuna Chamze Loda Nangsem La Shide Yonggu Yinbe Galop He Yobare. Galop Ki Jugdu Konsa Choki Zamling Dishi Shide Dan Digi Tembashi Yonggur Gyaga Ki Nawe Rikshung La Nuba Chembu Yobe Tedun Gyaga Wa Nashun Tsu Boba Chego Bata Lakbar Du Gyaga Mirab Saba Tsu Zachebe Rikshung Di Tola Tonanta Lobnyer Chego Yobe Langdor Galop He So.
India's 1,000-year-old tradition very much based on ahimsa, karuna. That now world need that. In order to offer or some contribution for world, firstly, within India, you should revive this ancient Indian tradition, Indian thought, ahimsa, karuna. So these, so India, I feel, I always sort of expressing, India is the only nation who can combine the modern education, which oriented about material value, and plus the ancient Indian knowledge, how to develop peace of mind. So therefore, within India should revive this ancient Indian knowledge, how to bring peace of mind, and how to tackle anger, frustration. So more compassionate mind here, your way of life carry more honest, truthful. That brings self-confidence. That increase inner strength. Like Mahatma Gandhi ji. I feel India can contribute for world peace effectively, training our mind, propagate concept of ahimsa, karuna. So now young Indian, as an Indian, you should feel proud this nation. You see, I think a lot of potential to make contribution, better world, better humanity, happier humanity. So you should pay more attention for study this ancient Indian knowledge.
Kalub lekbar dube che so lob thu dan len du tiwa tile yuring zeba ma se lob khang gi nge den be tenkap nyok sing dan lakwa du shungge chu thela samlu thukshi chebe thugab dir tine khala temba nyasha gi de chen shi sanzu gogal yogor kongsa chola nyen seng shushing te te kongsa chogi langdor lamden ta tungyu roram nangyong yongwe sundep shubar kongsa chogi langdor lamden zeba ma se pebe gege tungyur zegyu sheshe yang kadin zeyo bare.
So how do we give very pointed practices, and we need support and help around that.
See, your idea, very good, I think very good. And existing modern education is not complete. We should include some method or some education, how to develop our mind. Firstly, how to develop, how to increase mental sort of power, to thinking power. So meditation is very important. So we can provide some teacher, some Tibetan scholar, you see, who have some knowledge. Certainly, I will try, and some Tibetan scholar, either lay people or monk or nun. Now there are some learned people there, and also who speak Hindi or English. So certainly, if when you sort of make plan, then certainly I will send some teacher and say, I think 1 year course or a few months, or then eventually, if both sides feel happy, then few years. Okay. Certainly, it is our duty. All our knowledge learn from Indian master. Now, we have the moral responsibility to return this knowledge to modern Indian. Okay, certainly.
Tigasalle khane lomnyer khangi ngeden ba chamgu Dr. Vinita Sahai chola khonsa chogi chipgyu kola gandi shibe kapsu khome tidash sungtu.
A way to improve the quality of life for managers, for workers, for the world at large, which is through the practices like mindfulness, practices like compassion.
Thapar zingyong gi letun situ letun trupyu khonar mi gi yo wengyang thengap zingyong gi khele batang lobten batsu chamsi tang tenshi dembe tho laga chise khuryu nang leje batang chizo chi dedun la thona chegu thola lamden phipki yo bashin khonsatale lama choni thetabu kheju dembe utishi gindap lobte chunda thi unji khonscho gi chane na tho batini chilap shin tu chimbu shi resam gi tu ngazu thugap thi chitu ring ne ngagu chipayin
Enough to give us so much of time.
Kasan resta dawengi chino konskem gwen chimbu choki necho doji dengi shune gande pelge lingdu gyaga sangyu tsemba Start News Global shebe sargweba kushab Nitin Gokhale la ki chandir thanglen zeyo parre. Kapter konskem gwen chimbu choki kuy yansi ko ki tiwar gyana shung ki maombar konsa choki yansi tambayina pyomitsu ter myotun namya chegi mariche kalen zewa mase gyana shungi chizul zamla pyosa wangyu che gyan pyomi losem gu tupki mebata gyana shungi pyomi tola chunja pechwe chene wangyu chetab cheshin yo gyan pyomitsu tseme shibe tablam tone gyana gi wangyu la tonglen cheshin yodab pula pyomitsu la gyaga topnge yingor kalub zeyo barre. Danashin kasa chige wa rukhachi la konsa choki chamzida semsangbu chegwebe kola kalub zeyo barre. Kapter konskem gwen chimbu choki chamzini to mi lenge gi rangshin yibata semsangbu da shempen gi lo danashin chamzi nyamle chegu teni rangshin nige deduen da tegar dewa yoba katzeyo barre.
So whether believer or non-believer, or in other words, religious minded or not, that is personal matter. So long we are a human being, so long we are one of the 7 billion human beings, So everyone want happy life, peaceful mind. All have the same potential.
Di samne nga zui taringi sangyu ka shu sawa yin shamla kwebe tazi ka jang te zui thone pedun de tebe sangyu geba ka sigyu ye nga zui lerim sing sing na war tuji che.